haven't had a chance to visit the boat show yet, there's 2 more days to come down and check it out. You can come and explore a new boat from Pursuit and Pier 33, or you can take in any of the wonderful attractions that are here at the show. Right now, Casey and I are on site at the Lighthouse and Harbor display, a really unique setup where the boat show has put on a simulation of a marina atmosphere with a wide variety of boats and pontoons and ski boats. Beautiful boat like our Pursuit C230. While we're here, follow me along. Let me show you some more of the fun that you can have here at the show. It's a great way to spend a winter's afternoon and make you feel like it's summertime. Come this way. Come on. You can stop by the Lighthouse Bistro. Feast on mahi-mahi tacos or a mahi-mahi sandwich, some crab salad or some New England style clam chowder. Boat show food is really something that'll get you in the mood. Something else that could get you in the mood? There's been a line here all night. I don't know why there isn't one right now, but there's a cold beer stand in every direction you turn. It's a little early yet, so even though there's no line, I'm not alone. And for even more fun,
we'll jail night, Marietta.
and if you really want the boat show atmosphere, you gotta have the steel drum.
Even let your children join in.
It feels like you're
Our
in the
narrator
game.
down
2
by the
more days,
seaside,
Saturday and Sunday. Come see Pier 33 and all the fun you can have at the Progressive Insurance and Continental Sports at our beach. Come on down to the boat.